welcome to Non Veg Foodies in the world. Today we're making some special dishes since it's a special day. Starting off, we have some white rice and we filtered it to make sure all the sugar and the glucose is gone to be healthy. This is for 10 people, so as you can see, a lot of rice. Next, our first dish is Seeri Keerei fry. We have some onion, some Seeri Keerei, as you can see. I'm cutting it up to fry. Our next dish is kingfish, and here we're going to make some delicious tamarind fried gravy, and it's going to be South Indian style. Our third dish is going to be prawn, and we're going to cook prawn as a masala fry to be all tasty and good. Then we have Tharka fish, and in this we're going to be cooking gravy or fry, and yeah. And then we also have Maya fish, and we're also making another delicious dish with this one. So far we're going to make 5 dishes with the rice. My grandma is making a special dish for all of us to eat, so I hope you subscribe and like this channel. We're going to do Seeri Keerei fry. As you can see, my granny has chopped all the vegetables and she has put chopped the onions as well. And now, as you can see, my granny is adding the seasoning and all the herbs, but she is not including this one because this one will make it really bitter and that's not what we want. Granny has poured organic oil and now she's adding herbs, chana dal, stuff like that. Here, if you want, you can add some red chili, but if you don't want too much spice, you don't. We're not going to add this. Mix it really well, and now you can start adding all the vegetables. Like first, start with the onions because the onions need to fry properly. Okay. The onions, and put a lid on it so it can cook faster. Add on the rest of the onions, so mix it with a spoon or a spatula or something, mix it with knife, and put a lid on it, and come back after a few minutes when it's fully cooked. But make sure it's not fully cooked. It has only be 70% cooked, because if it's too much, it'll be burned in the process. After a few minutes, you can see that it's gone a little golden brown, and now you can add the keerei in. Make sure to add all of it in. And then once you've added everything, you can start mixing it. Add a spoonful of salt. And then mix it really well. And once you think it's all mixed, then you can put the lid on it. Like so. So now, after a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes later, it's all cooked and done. But if you want more salt, based on your preference, you can add as much as you need. But usually 1 spoonful should be enough. And that's our first dish all ready.